have here in the studio Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim, the very controversial Mayor Lim. Good evening po, Mayor. Thank you for being here.
Good evening, Pia. Thank you for inviting me.
Of course, you're in the news lately. Ang inyo pong Mayor paliwanag na figure of speech lang po yung sinabi ninyo, no, na, and we quote, "Hoy, tumigil ka na nga para kang walang kamatayan." Afterthought na lang po ba yun, on hindsight, or you really meant it as figure of speech, idiom lang?
Figure of speech lang yun eh. Hindi naman gano'n ang sinabi ko, Pia eh.
What exactly
Ang
did you say?
sinabi ko, marami nagkakalat ng kasinungalingan. Sana yung mga naninira, sasabihin lang nila yung totoo. Para kung totoo, di magbabago tayo. We will rectify. Sabi ko, lalakas ng loob ninyo na umapir pa ng TV at saka mag-issue ng press release. Puro kasinungalingan naman ang sinasabi nyo. Para kayong walang kamatayan. Yun lang sinabi ko eh. Where is the threat there? That is a figure of speech. Sa lahat ng mga usapan, kumari, nagkakatwaan, o at mayroong mga kasama doon, isasalita na hindi maganda, parang joking sinasabi, "Hoy, tumigil ka na nga. Kung magsasalita ka, para walang kamatayan eh."
Oo, pero Mayor kasi, but when it is you who says it, nakakatakot.
Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi naman.
It's a matter of opinion. Ang mga kausap ko naman there were 1,000 people there.
Okay, which one is this? The Manila's founding anniversary?
Century Park, Sheraton.
Yung mga barangay
ako nga
officials.
naman bide sa mga barangay chairman. There were 3 congressmen there, 9 councilors, members of media, print and TV. Nando si Gerald Gutierrez and 11 precinct commanders. Mahigit 1,000 ako ba maggagawa ng threat or I will commit a crime in the presence of these people? Palagay ko hindi naman kaya lang, binibigyan nila ng masamang kahulugan. As a matter of fact, kinabukasan, this occurred Saturday morning. Dahil doon nga kinakalat yung kasinungalingan na di umano, pinapahirapan ko daw yung mga empleyado ng City Council at pinagbawal ko daw na swelduhan, which is very far from the truth.
Kinasuhan nyo raw si Isko Moreno?
Kinasuhan?
Kinasuhan nyo ba?
Wala.
Yung for that ghost employees,
No,
walang kaso?
Wala, iniimbestigahan pa nga
okay.
Now, we were asking for documents. May tinatawag yan personal data sheet. Every government employee,
Yes.
either elected or appointed, has to file that thing. Ngayon, hinihingi namin yon dahil because I informed him na kinakailangan magbawas kami. Kasi nga, because of that COA memo dated February 29 this year, telling us that we have overshot the 45% ceiling sa personnel services.
How many employees are we talking about here? Alleged ghost employees?
Hindi, may marami. Sa amin, nagbabas kami ng on our side, 770.
Okay. Yung hinihingi po ninyo na personal data sheet ng ilang empleyado po ito?
Yung mga babawasin. Kasi hindi namin alam kung sino-sino yung mga empleyado nila.
Okay.
Sila nag-appoint nun
Okay.
Hinihingi namin yung personal data sheet para malaman namin sinong i-retrench, sino yung maiiwanan.
And what happened? So did you get the
ayaw nila
PDS?
ibigay Ang sinasabi na yun daw mga appointed ng Vice Mayor. Wala daw kami pakialam, bagamat meron silang personal data sheet, nandun daw sa kanilang administrative officer ng City Council. Pero nangyari ngayon, hinihingi ng COA ngayon sa kanila, itong mga dokumentong to. Hindi rin nila maibigay sa COA. Kami, since March, hinihingi na namin. At ang sabi ko pa nga, kasi sinabi sa akin, pag araw ng sweldo, hindi sila pumupunta doon sa teller's window, sa treasurer's office para pumila.
Sino kumukolekta ng check and
Hindi nga Kami, mga tao namin, lahat ng tao namin, pumipila doon. Kaya inaabot ng gabi para matapos ang swelduhan. Ang paymaster pala, matapos makuha yung cash advance, yung assign sa kanila, pupunta sa City Council. Ang sasabihin nila, iwanan mo yung pera dyan, pati payroll, bumalik ka na sa Treasurer's Office, at kami na magpapapirma.
How long has this been going on, Mayor?
Several years na nung malaman ko yon, sabi ko, teka muna, mali yata yun. Kailangan personal na haharap itong empleyado,
Okay.
magpipirma siya doon sa payroll at saka bibigay yung pay envelope.
Okay.
Sabi
So,
ko,
yeah.
effective March 15, pumila kayo doon para makasweldo. Eh ayaw nilang pumila. Eh sino suswelduhan? So it's not true. Ako nagbabawal na wag silang swelduhan. Sila mismo ang gumagawa ng paraan para hindi makasweldo dahil hindi nila maipresente itong mga tao eh. Sino itong mga taong to?
So ang sinasabi po ninyo, Mayor, is ito yung punot dulo ng away ninyo ni Isko Moreno.
Oh, yan ang
and the
pinagmulan
councilors.
because that is an offshoot of the COA memo na sinasabi sa amin we are violating certain laws and rules giving us 3 days to reply as to what action have been taken.
Yes, okay.
Kaya yun nga naging action namin because specifically sinasabi ng COA na personnel services. And we have to do some cost cutting. Sa mga tweed, we have to reduce personnel.
Okay,
Eh
okay.
doon nga sinabi ko, magre-reduce kami on our side, mag-reduce din kayo sa side ninyo.
Okay.
Eh ayaw nila mag-reduce eh.
So yung sinabi po ninyo na para kang walang kamatayan, you said that in relation to this issue about
Oo,
Isko.
kasi nga, eh, ang sinasabi nila, ako daw ang may kasalanan, kaya hindi sumusweldo yung tao nila, which is wrong. Sila may kasalanan eh.
Oo.
Ang gagawin lang naman, pumila doon sa teller's window eh.
Oo.
And then they will be paid.
Oo. What is the translation, Mayor, of para kang walang kamatayan?
Ay, ang ibig sabihin lang nun, you are so brave and so courageous as to say things which are not true.
Ano yung para kang walang kamatayan? Ano yun?
Ibig lang sabihin nun yung malakas ang loob, no? Para ibig sabihin, kung hindi ka marunong mamatay, malakas ang loob mo, matapang ka, hindi ka pala mamamatay eh.
Aha. Okay.
As against ordinary mortals na namamatay.
Okay. How, well, siyempre, ang iniisip kasi ng lahat ng tao, yung Dirty Harry image ninyo, no? So, how
Sa
do
mga
you...
kriminal lang yun, hindi sa mga law-abiding citizens.
How do you- have you
I
ever-
have the highest
Oo.
respect for them. They are duly elected officials.
Of course. Pero Mayor, have you ever threatened someone? And if you would threaten someone, how would you do it?
I have
Say.
never threatened somebody in my whole life. At meron akong gustong gawin, why will I telegraph my punches?
Okay.
Why will I
Sisikretin.
inform you?
Oo.
Kung meron ako iniisip sa'yo,
Ba't mo sasabihin?
Ba't ko pa sasabihin?
May plano
What
ako
for?
Ganon.
I'll just do my thing.
Aray, naku, nakakatawa.
Hindi, pero wala naman akong iniisip na gano'n eh.
Oo.
Siyempre, but you're dealing with criminal elements, you have to play it in their own game. Hindi naman pwede yung arrestuhin mo yung killer o yung hold-upper o yung rapist, luluhod ka pa sa kanya, sasabihin mo, pwede ba arrestuhin kita? That cannot be. Siyempre, you have to play it in their own game. Itong mga kausap ko, mga duly elected officials too eh. And I have the highest respect for them.
Well, is this the first time, Mayor, that you actually spoke to them that way and, said things like that?
Hindi
Or
nga.
dati, meron na kayong sinasabi sa kanila?
Wala, yun nga.
ito lang,
Kasi nga,
ito lang.
nagkakalat nga sila nung maling information eh. At saka, sa dami naman ng tao, I am not that crazy to commit a
Not
crime.
that crazy. Oo.
Nandun yung Chief of Police, si General Gutierrez, with 11 commanders. You know, as a police officer, you are duty-bound to arrest any person if that person is committing a crime in your presence.
Or about to commit a crime?
Oo. They have the power to do that.
Oh, dapat
Sila
inaresto
naman
kayo ni Gutierrez.
Hindi nga, ang problema nito, they went there. Nagpapablatter. Tinanong sila, magbibigay na kayo ng sworn statement. Sabi nila, hindi, pumunta lang kami dito eh. 23 of them with the vice mayor para magpa-blatter lang. Mag-uusap pa kami kung kami magdidemanda. Is that the right attitude of a person who is aggrieved who was threatened?
Oh. Pero Mayor Lim, alam niyo naman po siguro, no, that every time you say something and then it's not a very pleasant yung sasabihin ninyo. Alam niyo naman po na medyo iba yung tingin ng tao, hindi po ba?
Hindi, sa mga criminal element lang yon. Lalo na yung mga crooked police officers. Ay issue shoot-to-kill orders, yung mga pumapatay ng tao and they are armed. Pero alam mo, taken out of context yung shoot-to-kill orders. Sinasabi ko, shoot-to-kill orders if your life will be endangered. Paramount yung safety ng life mo.
Oo.
Kung sa pagtupad mo ng tungkulin, magpapabaril ka ng hindi ka alert, you're crazy.
Hindi na
Kaya I'm
bayani ang
just
tawag
telling
sa'yo.
them,
Oo.
mag-ingat kayo kasi armado itong mga taong ito eh. In case of
Okay.
armed resistance, and there will be an attempt on your life, kinakailangan, unahan mo naman.
Mayor, ano po ba yung usapan ninyo ni Isko Moreno for 2013 before this all happened? Meron po ba kayong usapan na hindi na kayo
naman kaming
tatakbo as
usapan.
mayor?
We're
Ganun?
working together. Walang problema eh.
But
Nagkaroon lang
were
ng
you going
problema
to...
nitong
Oo.
February 29 eh.
Oo, but were you going to run for mayor of 2013?
Oh,
in
sa 2013.
Oo,
At siya rin, alam ko,
oo.
tatakbo rin siya.
For what? As what?
Well, as a vice mayor,
Vice
yun ang
mayor ni
sinasabi
Erap.
niya.
Okay. So wala kayong prinami sa kanya na ikaw ang tatakbo and walang ganon?
Wala.
Nothing. None of that sort. Okay. So, this is, would you say that this is about the mayoralty race or what? What is the, I mean, bukod dun sa mga empleyado na yun.
Palagay ko, inahaluan na nila ng politika eh. Dahil ang sinasabi nila from their own lips, sabi ni Vice Mayor, alam daw ng lahat tatakbo siyang mayor since last December 2010. Tapos, later on, he joined another group. Dahil daw doon, kaya masama ang loob ko. That's a total lie. Kung totoo yun, sinabi niya, since December, bakit January, February, nakasweldo sila? No hassle. Dahil lang noong February 29, natanggap ko nga yung order ng COA, yung memorandum Sinasabi ng COA, if this will persist, the payments will be disallowed. Pag sinabi ng COA, it will be disallowed, I'll be forced to refund all the paid salaries in excess of the 45% ceiling.
Okay.
Siyempre, how am I going to refund that?
Are you confident about running against ERAP in 2013?
Ako naman, kahit sino ang kalaban, siyempre, paghahanda naman tayo. Talagang ganun. Lahat naman ng tao, hari ng kanyang sarili. O gusto nung na limaban, ako naman tatakbo rin. So, maglalabanan lang sa eleksyon.
Okay. Do you regret saying that?
Pardon?
Do you regret saying that? Para wala kayong kamatayan? No. You don't regret saying that?
Wala naman ako iniisip na masama eh. Ano masama doon? That's a common saying eh. Alam naman ng mga tao yun eh. Wala ibig sabihin yun. Ang masama, Pia, kung ano ang grave threat. Ito, halimbawa lang ha.
Oo. Hindi, wag na lang ako.
Sige,
Iba na lang.
Ako, sino yung... si Wilson.
si Boss Wilson. Ako, Diyos ko.
Sabihin ko, Wilson, papatayin kita.
Nandito sa studio kasi si Boss Wilson.
Yan ang grave threat.
Oo.
Okay. You're not telling the person, patayin kita. That's grave threat.
Okay.
Pero sabihin ko kay Wilson, yabang-yabang mo. Ang dami mong binibiling mga TV station or radio station. Para kang walang kamatayan. That's nothing.
Yeah. Okay. But we should ask Boss Wilson kasi what his interpretation is of that. Anyway, well, maraming salamat po, Mayor Alfredo Lim of Manila. Thank you, sir, for being here.
Thank you very much, Pia.
We hope to see you again, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.